Your Samsung phone is not suggesting any text while you're typing on it, so here's how to turn on predictive text on your Samsung phone so it would help you to write without any grammatical mistakes. And watch until the end because I'll give you a very good tip. So first of all, you're to open up your settings. After that, you're to scroll down to your General Management tab. There it is. Let's tap on it. Here, locate your Samsung keyboard settings. After that, we are to locate our predictive text. It will be in your Smart Typing tab. Let's tap on the switch near it, and basically that is it. Now it is activated. Also, do not forget to check whether the desired language is added to suggested text corrections. Great. Now you can also enable suggest emojis and suggest stickers while typing if needed. Now let's try it out. So let's open up any text, right? So it can be Google, it can be your notes, anywhere to sound on your keyboard. Now let's try. But as you see, we're getting suggestions, and basically that's all what we needed. So that's it. Now, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.